The road to success is never easy. Many start their journey with enthusiasm, only to struggle when challenges arise. It is an arduous journey, and it can be a lonely one. In the heart of every journey, there is a moment when fatigue takes over, when every muscle screams in agony and doubt clouds the mind. It is in such moments that champions are forged. It is such moments that separate the extraordinary from the mediocre. Beaten but not broken, you will rise, fueled by a rekindled passion and an unyielding spirit. This journey is not for the faint-hearted and half-hearted. Each drop of sweat, each aching breath will be a testament to your resilience. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Take a deep breath, look at yourself in the mirror, and promise that you will become an even better version of the person staring back at you. Heads up, it's time to restart the grinding machine. Every time you tie those laces, you're making a commitment to yourself, a promise to make the time worthwhile and to push beyond your limits. You are not here to settle for just enough. You are not here to be just average. You are not here to just get yourself tired. You are here to take action, to accomplish what you started. You are here to achieve the best version of yourself. You will gasp for air. You will feel the burn in your muscles, begging you to stop and just take a break. But remember, let your mind do the talking. Let it override those signals and finish what you need to. Live with the pain of discipline or suffer the pain of regret. Do not let yourself be consumed by the endless loop of what-ifs. Do not let your ability to prosper stay as a potential. Be disciplined, be consistent, and be hungry for success. We are what we repeatedly do. Make excellence a habit, not an act. Do that extra repetition, run that extra mile, and endure another 5 seconds of agonizing soreness. This isn't only about physical strength, it is also about mental fortitude. Victory is not just the end result, but the triumph over every obstacle, every whisper of doubt, and every urge to quit in your journey. Celebrate not just the win, but the unwavering commitment to rise above failure. Remember, the pain you feel today is the strength you feel tomorrow. Each struggle is a stepping stone, each hardship a lesson, and each challenge an opportunity to rise. Let every moment of pain fuel your fire. Let every setback sharpen your resolve. And let every victory, big or small,